Hi, and welcome to the Agile Academy. In this Agile in Practice talk, we'd like to show you how Agile teams use the MoSCoW method to prioritize and plan the delivery of business value to their customer. Meet Susan, the business analyst of the team, which is delivering a new employee performance review system for the HR department. Over the last few days, Susan has captured the requirements on story cards. Okay everyone, we can now prioritize the work. We want to make sure that we deliver the cards with the most business value as soon as possible. Welcome Jen. Since you're the product owner, I'm really happy that you can make it for this meeting. Your input is important to decide the value of each of the stories. I would like to point out right from the start that prioritization is a whole team effort. So, while Jen is the product owner and makes the final decision, we all have a say and can contribute to the process. Susan will now run us through how this is going to happen. Thanks, Bill. To make prioritization easier, we use a method called MoSCoW. The main letters stand for M for must have, S for should have, C for could have, and W for won't have. Must have means that the system must have this attribute or feature and is non-negotiable. The system cannot be used without this story. Should have is where a story has high business value, but the system could function without it, but it would be included if possible. Could have is a story that we would like, but is less critical, more a nice to have. We use won't have to mark stories that offer the least business value and will not be included now, but in the future. Let's look at this story. As a team leader, I need to see the performance reviews of my team members, so that I can have a conversation with them about their performance. So Jen, do you think this is a must-have or a should-have feature for the new system? Definitely a must-have, non-negotiable feature. This system makes no sense without this. To ensure that the team is in agreement, Susan, the business analyst, asks, "Team, do we all understand why this story card is a must-have?" "Yes," says the team. Liz, one of the developers on the team, picks up another story card. As a co-worker, I want to be able to save the feedback I have written on the system's feedback form so I can rework it and submit it later. What do you think, Jen? Is this another must-have? Thanks, Liz. I thought at first that it was a must-have as well. Thinking about it though, while this feature will make it easier for people to submit feedback, maybe we need to ensure that people can actually submit feedback and that we add the save and submit later functionality in the future. So, let's put this story in the should have column. Does everyone agree? In the end, all the cards are organised into columns based on their business value. Bill is happy. His team is one step further in planning the work. Okay, let's do a sanity check, he says. If we only deliver the stories in the must-have column, would we have a minimum system that could be delivered? Well, as the product owner, if you can give me a system with these features, we could get started with performance reviews online, and that would make my peers very happy. The power of prioritizing with MoSCoW lies in the fact that it helps the team to get a shared understanding about what is most important to the customer in terms of business value. In this talk, you saw how your team can use the MoSCoW method to prioritize your work. The team uses story cards in this process. Story cards are the topic of another Agile in Practice talk and worth checking out on our website. If you want to learn more about Agile, the Agile Academy offers a range of accredited courses and lots of open source material, which you can find on our website. If you have any questions, also feel free to contact us on the website or drop us a line on Twitter. Thank you and enjoy your Agile journey.